this is what I have to deal with today. This thing right here has been giving me issues and it refuses to start now. So I'm gonna be doing some work on it. As you can see with the gas can right there, I emptied out the oil, so I'm gonna be changing the oil. I also need to replace the diaphragm on the carburetor, so I ordered a new one off Amazon that came in. So that's what we'll be doing today. But before we do that, I need to power wash this patio because I do not think it's ever been cleaned. So I got my power washer right here, so I'll be working on that. I'm gonna get it set up, and I'll see you in a second. Here's the new diaphragm I'm gonna be replacing in the lawnmower. All right, so I'm gonna take out the carburetor and drain the gas tank. The air filter looks pretty good. It's not filled with oil, at least like it was before. When I replaced this last year, it was completely drenched in oil. But yeah, it looks pretty good. This might not work because this isn't an impact driver, this is just a screwdriver. Okay, yep, I'm not doing that. That was a bad idea. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. Ow. Fingers. Hopefully this thing isn't completely covered in carbon. Oh boy. Look at that. It's shaking for some reason. That is not good looking at all. Oh shoot, I just tightened it. I'm gonna detach this from the carburetor and perfect. I'm gonna put this to the side for a minute. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm gonna put the gas that's in. Oh, that's a lot of pressure. That's not good. I'm gonna put the gas that was in there right now and back into here. I know I shouldn't be doing this. Ooh, it's a bad sign. There's a filter, I'm pretty sure, at the end of this thing. Yep, something just dropped in there. I don't know if you saw that. This isn't good, but this thing's missing a screw here. Oh, this is dirty. I don't know where that screw went, but I think it's been missing for a while now. I never really noticed that, to be honest. I repaired this thing last year, and I'm pretty sure that was there. There's still a little gas in the tank. Pour that back out. Oh! I'm done. Oh, it fell out. Okay. I honestly don't think the diaphragm's in that bad of a condition, but I think it's just not running very well. Actually, it's not running well at all, to be honest, so. Alright, I need to empty this gas out still. There's still a lot on this thing. This thing could probably be cleaned out a little bit. I have some carb cleaner I could just spray in there. This thing too. Oh. Look at that. Thing's falling apart. Is there even a gasket on this thing? Or, oh, that is the gasket, I think. Yeah, it is. Jeez. This thing's doing awful. This thing could use a good spray with the carb cleaner too. Alright, let's do that real quick. Can't find the straw for my carb cleaner, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Alright, this guy. And the little throttle body. Alright, let's put the new diaphragm on this thing. That right here. Briggs and Stratton. Alright. I'm gonna put this guy on here. This is probably not. Yeah, that works on there. And now we gotta put the diaphragm on it. Let's put this back together. Alright, nice. Thing definitely looks better. Why don't we take the cylinder head off too and take a look at that? I took the cylinder head off camera and I was showing how bad the old oil was and how carbon filled it was, so yeah, there's that. I'm gonna go get a clamp real quick so I can hold down the throttle and freely rotate the engine. Alright, I clamped down the engine so I can show that. This probably isn't the best thing that I'm doing right now, but then again, this thing is super old and I'm doing a $3 repair on it, and if it breaks, I really don't care. Look at that. That's pleasant. I don't like seeing that. To be quite honest, when I watched this video back, I really don't know what I was doing, and it was extremely stupid. Uh-oh. Did that actually just happen? Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock now, and I made a stupid mistake, and I accidentally had the oil dipstick off, and a bolt fell in when I was trying to put the case back on, so I had to take apart everything again, and I had to fish it out by literally tipping this thing on its side and shaking it vigorously until it fell out. So I got it now, so now I can actually start reassembling this thing. Oh, come on. I'm making this harder on myself than I have to. This should not be taking this long, but I'm being stupid with it. I'm kind of rushing, but I'm not really rushing because it's taking me, 6 hours to do some simple thing. It should take me like 30 minutes at most. But I turn into this whole thing where I don't have to do any of this crap that I did on it if I wanted to. I just spent like the past 30 minutes making a throttle linkage with a paper clip because the other one went missing. Let's put the air filter back on. Alright, let's do the oil now. Take out the dipstick. Got our funnel. And it's not going to stay in place, so I'm going to need to hold it. So what do we got here? We got SAE 30W, Briggs & Stratton. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right on full. So that means we gotta finish this off with some good old gasoline. This guy here. Alright, fill it up. Alright. Now put the gas cap on. Now the question is, how many pulls will this thing take to start? I'm gonna guess 3. 1, 2. Oh wait, I don't even have the spark plug wire on. No, I don't. Alright, I'm dumb. Alright, let's try that again. Ready? 1 pull. It works. It runs. I hate myself. There's morning, so I can actually do this and see how it works. So I'm gonna. I need to prime it. Hold on. All right. Let's give this a giving it a try. Definitely sounds much smoother than it was before. I could tell you that. So, I'd say this project's complete.